What's up mga kahigala? Save this video if you're planning to visit Boracay. Balak mo bang mag-Boracay food trip? Uy, gusto natin yan. Dapat mong masubukan ang parating trending dito sa Boracay. Ang Coco Mama. Grabe, sobrang sarap nito. Kahigala. By the way, kahigala, kung nagbabalak kang mag-Boracay adventure at kung gusto mo naman, para less hassle ka na, you can avail it via Klook app and use my Klook discount code, Kahigala Klook, para sa inyong Boracay adventure and avail up to 5% off discount. Wow. Oh, diba? San ka pa? Makakamura naman talaga. This is the best dessert for me here in Boracay. And did you know that this is also the most trending dessert in any social media platforms? Oh, diba? Mapapabili ka talaga. Mapaumaga man yan o gabi, mapalokal o foreigner, nakapila dito para lang makabili. At alam nyo ba, it's a plant-based and vegan-friendly ice cream served in coconut shell and topped with other goodies. Oh, diba ang sarap talaga? Araw-araw blockbuster talaga ito. At ang haba ng pila. Definitely a must try on your next Boracay adventure. And for me, it's 10 out of 10. Si Coco Mama, deserve nila ang hype. Kahit ngayon, ito ay nasa D-Mall area lang din. Kahigala, tinatawag ka na ng dagat. Tara, mag-Boracay. Uy, hanggang sa susunod nating Boracay adventure. Ingats and God bless.